This is how to log in to Manus AI. Go to manus.im and click sign in. You can use among these platforms right here to sign in if you have created an account on one or more of these, or you can manually enter your email address. We'll choose continue with Google, and you have successfully logged into your Manus AI, or you can enter your email manually. So you can just enter your email manually, click continue, enter your password, and you have successfully logged into your Manus AI. So this is how to log in to Manus AI.